Hello everybody, this is Gloin from Keep It Simple, and today we are going to work through a question from Edexcel Specimen paper set 1. The mass of Jupiter is 1.899 times 10 to the 27 kilograms. That's very heavy. The mass of Saturn is 0.3 times the mass of Jupiter. Now we know that Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and Saturn is 0.3 times the mass of Jupiter, so it's smaller. Work out an estimate for the mass of Saturn. We should really underline the word estimate. Give your answer in standard form, so our final answer has to be in standard form. Now Jupiter's mass is going to be very important. Saturn is 0.3 times the mass of Jupiter. Now this word of is very important in this question. Okay, let's have a go at this question. Work out an estimate. That means I'm allowed to round this number. 1.899 times 10 to 27. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to round this number to one significant figure, which will give me an answer of 2. So I'm going to say that the mass of Jupiter is approximately 2 times 10 to the power of 27, because I'm allowed to estimate. The next part of the question, 0.3 times the mass of Jupiter. So Saturn is 0.3 times the mass of Jupiter. Of in maths means multiply. So if I multiply the mass of Jupiter by 0.3, so 0.3 times 2 times 10 to the power of 27. Now I'm going to multiply 0.3 with 2. One method you can use is, imagine there isn't a decimal point, so you do 3 times 2, which is 6, and then you can put the decimal point back in. Essentially you're timesing this 0.3 by 10 to make it 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and then you're dividing your answer by 10. So you're going to have 0.6 times 10 to the power of 27. Now it says give your answer in standard form. Is this answer in standard form? No, this is not in standard form because of the 0.6. Standard form has to be greater than 1. So we need to move this decimal point. Really the decimal point never moves, but we can do a little shortcut. We need this decimal point to move to this position here. Now have a little rule. If the decimal point moves to the right, the power decreases by 1. So 6 times 10 to the power of 26 kilograms. So 6 times 10 to the power of 26. This number is now in standard form. Part B, give evidence to show whether your answer to A, so this answer here, is an underestimate or an overestimate. So let's look at our original rounding. So the mass of Jupiter was 1.899. We got to ask ourselves, did we round up or did we round down? In this case we rounded up to 2. So our answer will be an overestimate as the actual mass is lower. So we're going to answer this question like this. We rounded up, therefore we overestimated. And that's how you answer that question. I hope this video was useful and you learned something. Please hit like and subscribe. This is Gloin from Keep It Simple, signing out.